What's up with you, Sock? Yes, sir. I lowered it, bro. Finally lowered the rear. Look at this, guys. Alright, guys, so change of plans. We're gonna take the E92 because Sokka's car is overheating. So we're gonna take this one and we're gonna go to a kart meet. And it's fucking hot. But that's Sokka's new whip right there. So I'm gonna take this one to this crazy Labor Day kart meet that's going on in San Leandro. And then after that, we're gonna be working on Sokka's car. We're gonna be doing the tune-up. We're gonna change all the spark plugs and all that crazy shit. Stay tuned, guys. Cannot wait to show you guys what we get into later today. What up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Dudes are going crazy already. Bro, looks like Diego's car already got hit. This one got hit. Yeah, I got hit in the leg, bro. I really want to see this though. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Since I've been to a car meet like this, guys. No, there's a cop right there, bro. Yeah, it's a wrap. What the hell, bro? You brought us race cars to this.
All vehicles must leave the parking lot now.
Alright, guys.
Will be cited, vehicles will be towed.
Shoo! I do not want my car to be towed. So, in that case, guys, the vlog is not gonna end. We're gonna go to Sokka's house. We're gonna tune up his E36 M3, and then, you know, we're just gonna be chilling. So, stay tuned, guys. Catch you guys in a little bit. Because the vlog is not done here yet. Damn, the sunset looks amazing, guys. Woo! Money. Whoa. I'm gonna leave that clip in, guys. It's funny. Damn, cars everywhere, boys. They're literally going to something that's shut down already, man. Literally, guys. Shut down, burn down, fuck down. Let's go. I love it. Oh, Diego's fucking shooting flames right next to the cop. All right, guys. So the E92 is all tucked up. Now we're gonna grab the E36, Sakai's E36, and we're gonna go to his house. But first, we're gonna go get some food, and then we're gonna go work in that car, guys. So stay tuned. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Let's get it. All right, guys. So we're gonna go grab some food real quick. Cold start. Woo! But I didn't show you guys. I finally lowered the rear in my E36 M3, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look, it looks freaking amazing, man. All right, guys. So we just got done eating at Jack in the Box. We're on our way to Saka's house right now, and then we're gonna get to work. That's a fat old fly, boys. But we just pulled up to Saka's house, guys. We're gonna start working on this car. We're gonna do the oil change and spark plugs. Guys, we're gonna let this thing cool down for a little bit, and then we're gonna start working on it. All right, guys. So we're at Saka's house. Like you guys seen, he just bought this car. So I'm gonna help out the homie Sakai, and we're gonna make this car run insane. It's having problems passing smog right now, but with this Denon coil pack and some liquid moly that we bought from ECS Tuning. Let's get to this right over here, guys. Hold this right here, bro. So we already took off the cover. We already took off the clips right here of the coils, the old coils that we're gonna remove. For the cover is a 10mm, and for the coil pack is a 10mm as well. All right, guys. So we already took everything out, all the bolts. So simple as that, guys. Right there, guys. They're hot. All right, guys. So I already took all the spark plugs out. I have a new one right here, guys, and I have an old one right here, guys. If you guys see the difference, this is gonna make a lot of a difference on this E36 M3, guys. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys when I am done with this. All right, guys. So I'm done installing all the spark plugs, all 6 spark plugs. Open these up, and we're gonna see how they look. You guys are gonna love these. They look freaking amazing. Look at these. All right, guys. So I got done with the coils, spark plugs. Now I already drained. I'm draining the oil right now. Whoa. All right, guys. So let me see, what time is it? 2.5 hours later. We're done, guys. Right now we're about to start the car. First startup after the tune-up. Fresh oil's in there. Start this beauty up, man. Let's get it. Sounds better. Let's get it. Man, that does not sound good.
It's the coil reverse.
Look at that beauty right there. Damn, looks so nice.
Doesn't chip down.
Look at that. Woo, mine looks so clean, bro. Okay. Yeah, do a burnout. Oh shit! Let's go! Damn! Oh shit! Let's go!
See the brakes? I need new brakes.
Oh yeah, you need new brakes, bro. Your brakes are literally metals now.